Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix low call volume issue on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, many of you are complaining about after buying the latest iPhone 15, here they are facing an issue of low call volume. That whenever they are on call, the volume automatically goes to low. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will tell you how to fix low call volume issue on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Guys, our step number 1 is to check the volume level. Before diving into more complex solution, ensure that the call volume is set to good level. During a call, use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone 15 to increase the call volume. Additionally, check the call audio rotating settings by tapping the speaker's icon during a call to make sure it sets to a correct output. Then you have to do is clean the speaker and receiver. Dust, dirt or debris on the speaker or receiver may affect call volume. Use a small soft brush or compressed air to gently clean these areas. After this, then you have to do is remove the screen protector or case. Sometimes protectors or cases may cover the speaker or microphone, impacting call volume. Try removing them and see if it's improved the situation or not. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone 15. A simple restart can often resolve various issues including problem with call volume. To restart your iPhone 15, you have to simply open the settings, then tap on General, then scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to Software Update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone 15. If there is, then simply update your iPhone 15 to its latest version. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone 15. Resetting all settings on your iPhone 15 won't erase your data but will reset system settings to their default values, potentially resolving the issue. To do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix low call volume issue on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. If this video helps you, then be sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.